Hi guys, this is Vidhi. Welcome to my channel. This is my very first video, and if you are watching it, thank you for being a part of it. The girl you see in this picture? Yes, that's me. I weighed 69.5 kgs, almost close to 70 kgs back then, and I had some major self-confidence issues. Here's a short description of my weight loss journey. This is how I looked before my weight loss. I was bullied innumerable times because of my weight. Yes, you heard me right. Even calling someone fat is bullying. The word fat haunted me for so many years because it made me conscious about myself. This is how I look today after my weight loss journey. I weigh 54 kgs and I've realized that no matter how you look, some people are always going to judge you on the basis of your looks. Hence, today I call myself fit and not thin. Yes, my weight loss journey was tough because I made several mistakes. If you are planning to lose weight, I hope you do not follow the same mistakes. Let me take you through the mistakes that I made during my weight loss journey. Two of the major mistakes that I made during my weight loss journey was one, I used to follow random crash diets. I used to skip meals. I used to fast. And the thing about crash diets is you do lose weight because of them. But as soon as you start eating everything again, you gain the weight again. If there's a diet you cannot follow for the rest of your life, it's not the diet for you. Second mistake that I made was I used to work out, but I used to eat all the junk possible. Somehow I lost the hope of losing weight, and I used to read so many blogs, articles, and I used to watch so many YouTube videos about weight loss, but nothing actually worked for me. Then I came across this book by Rujita Divekar. People who do not know her, she's Kareena Kapoor's dietitian, and I was like कि अब सब try कर ही लिया है तो let's try this too. But this book literally changed my game, my perspective about weight loss, and here are my 10 tips and tricks inspired by this book which are going to help you lose weight, and they literally work like magic. My first tip is have lemon water as soon as you wake up in the morning. Squeeze a lemon in a glass of warm water and have it. If you do not like the taste of lemon, you can add some honey to your lemon water. Now the question is, why lemon water? Lemon water increases metabolism, helps in digestion, it helps reduce bloating. My second tip is have home cooked food. We can have poha, upma, idli, rice, roti, sabji, everything that's homemade. Let's try sticking to our roots and let's try having home cooked food. Coming to my third tip, there are three major meals that you have in a day. That is breakfast, lunch and dinner. So now your breakfast should be the heaviest meal of your day because you need energy throughout the day, and this is what I used to have during my weight loss journey. For breakfast, it was the usual poha, upma and eggs. For lunch, I tried having roti, sabji and a small bowl of rice. And for dinner, I tried having the same sabji with some rotis, and you can also have roasted chicken and paneer. I'll be sharing a few snack options in the next clip. Coming to my fourth tip, follow the 2-hour rule. Now, what is the 2-hour rule? Have something every 2 hours. Supposedly, you're having your breakfast at 10 in the morning. Then have a snack at 12. By a snack, I mean a fruit or some dry fruits or something. Then you can have your lunch at 2, then one more snack at 4, and then comes your dinner. Snacks are usually everyone's favorite part of the day. I used to literally look forward to snacks even when they are so healthy. They are literally so yum. You should really try roasted makhana. I used to love it. I used to have it all the time. Walnuts and dates are also very yum. Also, a glass of nariyal pani will keep you full for a really, really long time. Now comes the fifth point, and it's a game changer, guys. It literally helped me so much during my weight loss journey. Have your dinner during sunset or before sunset, not after sunset. Last meal that you should be having in a day should be around 7:30, maximum 8 o'clock, and it literally will change your weight loss game. So why am I asking you to have your dinner around the sunset? Always have your dinner 2 hours before you go to bed. If you start having your dinner at 7:37 in the evening, nobody can stop you from losing weight, believe me. So people have so many doubts about working out. What should one do while losing weight? What exercise should I do? So I'll tell you this thing, 70% or maybe 80% it is your diet, and then the rest is the workout. So there are so many videos available on YouTube. You can watch any one of them when it comes to working out. When it comes to workout, there are usually two kinds of people, one who like it and one who do not. I usually didn't like working out before I lost weight, but now I enjoy working out because I've really seen the positive effects of exercise on my body, and I really enjoy it today. But when it comes to workout, I would suggest you all to stick to something that you really enjoy. You can do Zumba, yoga, cardio, weights, aerobics, and a lot many other things. At least try to work out 30 minutes in a day. It's more than enough. In the journey of losing weight, we also need to be fit, and exercise really makes you fit. Coming to my seventh point now, do not be lazy. Yes, let's try to be a bit active. Let's try walking whenever we get a chance to do it. Let's take the stairs rather than the lift. It really helps you. Now my eighth point, and the most important point of this entire video. So this is going to be a bit disappointing to a lot of people because it was definitely disappointing for me. But it is what it is. Cut sugar from your diet, guys. Sugar isn't good for your health. I'll be making a separate video on how I stopped consuming sugar on a daily basis, and it will really help you all. But for now, just remember, sugar is really bad for our health. So ninth point is something that we youngsters do not follow. We do not fall asleep on time. But when you're on a weight loss journey, get enough sleep. When you do not get enough sleep, you look dull the next day, and when you're dull, you feel like eating more. And now my 10th and final tip would be drink lots of water. Water really helps you remove all the toxins for your body, and it helps boost your weight loss journey. For me, it's like I forget to drink water, and for a lot of people it is that way. So I've installed an app which reminds me again and again to drink water. So these are my 10 tips and tricks on how you can lose weight. One more point that I would like to add from my side is do not give up, guys. During my weight loss journey, I really wanted to give up at times and I didn't want to do it. But something that kept me going was my willpower. Trust me guys, weight loss is not rocket science. These tips are really going to help you. If I can lose weight, if I can do it, any one of y'all can kill it. Also, if you have any doubts regarding to weight loss, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be more than happy and glad to help you guys with it. Also, if you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, and if you know anyone who would want to lose weight in a very healthy way, please share this video with them. Thank you for watching.